If you've been hearing about Google Veo 3 lately, you're probably wondering what it actually does and how people are already using it to create AI videos in 2026. Because honestly, Veo 3 is one of the most advanced text-to-video AI tools Google has ever released, and it's changing how content is created online. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Google Veo 3 step-by-step from setup to generating your first video. First, what is Google Veo 3? Veo 3 is an AI video generation model from Google that creates realistic videos from text prompts. So basically, you describe a scene in words, and the AI turns it into a video. And honestly, this is why it's getting so much attention, especially from YouTubers, TikTok creators, marketers, and AI content creators. Because it removes the need for cameras, actors, or even filming locations. Now let's go step by step. First step, getting access to Google Veo 3. Depending on your region and availability, you may access it through Google's AI platforms or approved early access tools. So you log in with your Google account and open the Veo interface. Now second step, understanding the interface. Once you enter the platform, you'll usually see a prompt box and settings for video generation. This is where everything starts. Now third step, writing your prompt. This is the most important part, because honestly, the quality of your video depends almost completely on your prompt. For example, a weak prompt would be, "a city at night," but a strong prompt would be, "a cinematic drone shot of a futuristic city at night, with neon lights glowing, light rain falling, reflections on the streets, slow camera movement, ultra-realistic style." And honestly, that level of detail is what makes AI video look professional instead of random. Now, fourth step, choosing your settings. Depending on your access version of Veo 3, you may be able to adjust things like video length aspect ratio, cinematic style, camera, motion, and resolution quality. And honestly, these settings help you control how film-like your result looks. Now, fifth step, generating the video. Once everything is ready, you click Generate, and the AI starts processing your request. And honestly, this part can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on complexity. Now, sixth step, reviewing and improving your result. Most of the time, your first video will not be perfect. And honestly, that's completely normal with AI tools. So you can go back, adjust your prompt, add more detail, or change the style, and generate again. Now here's a very important tip. If you want much better results, always include lighting, camera, angle, environment, details, motion, style, and mood. For example, instead of saying, "a beach sunset," say, "a cinematic wide-angle shot of a tropical beach at sunset with golden lighting, slow waves, soft wind movement, and a peaceful atmosphere, filmed in ultra-realistic style." And honestly, this is what separates beginner results from professional-looking AI videos. Now, another thing you should know, Google Veo 3 is still evolving, so features and access may vary depending on your region or account type. And honestly, Google is constantly improving realism and motion quality, so results are getting better very fast. Now let's be honest for a second. Veo 3 is not just a fun AI tool anymore. It's becoming a serious content creation system, especially for people who want to produce YouTube videos, ads, short-form content, or visual storytelling without filming anything manually. So to wrap this up, using Google Veo 3 is basically get access to the platform, enter your prompt, adjust video settings, generate your video, and refine until you get the result you want. And honestly, once you learn how to write strong prompts, you can create cinematic-level videos just using text.